everybody. Welcome to a Wednesday, December 9th stream for Gift. Yesterday wasn't on. I had a crazy toe injury. My nail came off, and then Monday night I had to peel the skin off. It was healing on my wrap. It was kind of nasty. But anyways, besides that, let's not get started with that. Let's get started with trading. So yeah, let's get started. Where are we? We're on gold right now. Let's go down from monthly from gold. It's been on a bullish tear. Weeklies hit this resistance area. Now if we go to the daily, yeah, daily has been, this area right here is the prior support, and I feel like this area you're gonna get like kind of resistance. And kind of well, I'm checking 4 hours pretty bullish right now. I feel like the 4 hour could continue bullish. We're at this big resistance area though, at the 1875, 1874 area. After this bull run up, it's retesting the previous support. Now future resistance, I guess if you want to put it that way. But with that, we can see that with the fib lines, it's respecting the 50% level. So with it respecting the 50% level, I do feel like we're going to have a kind of reaction here for a push down. And then with that, we'll see how it reacts after. I'm just checking the fib lines, just drawing it out. Seeing which area we could get to. Overall, weekly, daily is still bullish. And I mean, if you really go on the hourly and draw the fib right from the top to the bottom, it is at the 50% level. So there's going to be a lot of consolidation here, a lot of indecision. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. I don't think the moves are going to be clean. Even yesterday, even though we didn't trade, you can see how choppy it was. It went up, pushed all the way down, went up, all the way down, up. So just taking that into consideration too, the push down during Asian session. And with the vaccine being handed out too, you never really know what's going to happen. So we'll see how this goes. Obviously, play price action. That's our best friend. Good old price action. All honesty, there's no move at the moment. Even with this move right here, it's not a 30 pip move or 60 pip move. That would have been a nice one. Boom, 70 pips. It is what it is. I'm not rushing any trades though. Yeah, the best one would have been a buy stop, probably 57. Stop loss at 55. 62.40, yeah, that would have been a 40 pip move right there. Also, I need to catch up on the macro show, Hedge Eye, so.
The smaller cap, higher beta, higher short interest tech that you find, the better that it's done. What I did this morning in the early look note was just tell you where you should have rotated out of. Wasn't tech. Look at the bongo board yesterday in a down market, barely down, but down. It was up. Again, it's what you rotated out of, which include treasuries, gold miners, utilities, staples. All those things are underperforming in the quad twos. Did it go down a lot? No. Today it was up. Now it's down a couple basis points. What is it really doing? It's making a series of higher lows, getting ready to trigger people. And people like round numbers. They want to know where the 10-year yield's going. I'm not going to focus on where it's going. I'm going to focus on when it's going. When. It matters a lot more to get the timing right than to get the level right. Don't just look at the bond market signal in terms of treasuries. Look at what the larger aggregate of the bond market is telling you, which includes high yield spreads. What actually happened with high yield spreads, that's the high yield average OAS spread, is it actually was down on the day. So again, that typifies quad 2. Don't forget, the junkier the better, the more levered, the smaller cap, the higher beta. Energy credit obviously looks fantastic right now. So any way that you can really express inflation in places that people had shot those even high yield sectors for dead.
Let's go here. We're going to start from the top of the queue. Keith, thanks for getting me, this is from Perth, Washington. Thanks for getting me out of gold and helping me set up my portfolio for quad 2.
Cool.
I'm new and I don't know about below, but I guess he's referring to his question. Can your portfolio have too much energy? Stocks at 3%, CRB 4%, ETFs 6%, fully allocated. I would have 31% in energy. Can you ever be over allocated in one sector?
Yeah, that's a lot for me, like 31%. So again, just to tip, what's his name?
Jason, I think he's talking about the combination of stocks, ETFs, commodities.
Yes.
You know,
So if we just to review what Jason's saying he's doing, and it's an interesting question, and Jason's answer might be different than mine. It depends on A, what the alternatives are, and B, what you really care about the most for you. Now, if Jason's 26 years old and he wants to grip it and rip it and go a third of his portfolio all manifestations of energy, I got no problem with that. You know, you could run a hedge fund like that and beat everybody. If you're 92 years old, maybe not what you should be doing or want to be doing. But again, anybody, it doesn't really, age really shouldn't, it depends on how you are, right? I mean, that's totally up to you. So if we do like the MOFO, the asset allocation model, and we start with the asset allocations, you know, equities in particular is going to be a 6% max. So if I have a 6% max position in XLE, and I have a 6% max position in AMLP, which are the two that we mentioned today. Okay, already I'm at 12% of my capital. You know, if I throw in some natural gas in there, the commodities, I throw in oil and natural gas, and those are 4% positions at max. You know, now obviously I have another 8%, so now we're at 20. So again, if BNO, for example, or UNG, I am not going to go to those sizes, but I'm just using it in theory. Like how crazy, you know, how long could you go? Then once you get into the actual stocks where my positions max out at 3%, if I have XOM, which is the one that I'll have biggest because it's the biggest cap and easiest one for me to tolerate, then I go down the line. You know, I could easily get to 10% worth of different kind of stock picks. I have Suncor, XOM. In fact, I'm probably pretty close. And that's only intra day moves that I'll be moving because I move over here and then I move over there. If cannabis is for sale over here, I'll take some money out of energy and put it over there. So again, that's the other question is like, well, what if you want to put in here? What if you want to put in a cannabis stock, IIPR at 3%? Jeez, let's just say you guys get the math. 3% IIPR, and you want to put MSOS in there at 6%. That's the ETF, so that's a sector position. Okay, right there I got 9% on cannabis. So again, and we got emerging markets. We got all of our Chinese ideas. We have a lot of different things, so basically you run out of room. And I said this yesterday, Jonesy, to one of our bigger clients. I said, my problem right now is I got too much shit to buy. There's too
Hold on, this moved down. I got a minor position. I got it at 59. So I'm gonna have my stop below the candlestick, and I'm gonna hope for 63. So a little bit more than a 1-to-1 trade here, but obviously we'll see. It was based off the 15-minute when the 15-minute created that wick, so I'm gonna have to put this on the 15-minute chart. So we had this big sell-off during the Asian session, but it didn't continue, and it created a consolidation range. So that's the first thing I was looking at. After a spike down, price respected the previous level / zone, previous big level zone. That we had $18.55 area. Price went up after respecting this zone. Here we got, shit, give me a sec. So here we got bullish momentum at 6 o'clock a.m. 6:15 a.m. candle gave an opportunity to enter on its spike down. A little bit over 1-to-1. Entered. There we go. All done there. Now we just wait.
Too many
This
places
video.
to buy. Like, look at our slide 101 or whatever slide it is, guys, with all of the ideas. I guess I'm being generous. Yes, you can see that today. I'm not going to say no to you. We go to slide 102. Look at all the things that we like. I mean, our institutional clients are like, they're running off the page. See the FXFs in there. You know, cow was for sale yesterday. You can buy some of that. I already talked about cannabis down there. Taiwan has gone berserk. Yeah, there's a lot of different things to do.
Yeah, I think from personal experience, one big thing is being able to handle drawdowns, right? So if you have huge exposure to one stock, one sector, one factor, you know, the risk is that you're not going to be able to handle the drawdown. You're going to end up selling at the bottom. And you know, I've done this many times in my trading account. I do fine in it, but you know, my 401k that's basically long only and has some limitations, I actually do a lot better because I never freak out, right? Yeah. So, and that's why I think your model works pretty well because it's set up that you capture the returns, but you're never going to have the freak out drawdown, right?
Yeah, that's a really important point. So, for example, and I'm not going to show you the dollar numbers, Jonesy, but you can tell people that I'm not making this up, okay?
Yeah.
I have, what are the top 5 positions there?
Fidelity Government Bonds, FDRX.
No, that's just the cash.
Oh, okay.
First one.
CHIQ, EWJ, and IVOL. And then XLK and XLE.
Right. In that order. Those are the sizes. And XLB is right below it. So those are my sizes as of yesterday. And that's primarily because China had corrected and energy hadn't corrected. So again, if energy were to correct today, I take that up. And if China were to rally today, I take that down. So again, that's just me touching my long-only account. That's easy to do. I only got 9 positions in there currently. So I'm actually pretty grossed up in that in terms of the positions that I would consider material positions that I've taken up. So there's a lot to do, and at the end of the day, it's up to you. And it's up to you, like to Jonesy's point, what kind of risk you're willing to take on, and what kind of bets you really want to size up or not.
All right, so 30-minute closed. I'm gonna switch off to 30. So yeah, look at it. We have this bullish close. I feel like this next 30, we might tap into like 65 area, but obviously I just want 63. If we go to the hour, we can see the hour is making a bullish momentum move up. So we're good on this long for now. Let's keep it there for now. Damn, back to my break-even price. There we go. That was probably just another liquidity grab, to be honest. That would have been another good point to enter. Just waiting game now, to be honest. Nothing really. Just gotta wait. Crypto markets are down. Futures markets, some of them are up, some are down. See, the thing with trading is just gotta be on every day. Even if you don't catch a trade, or even if you just kind of chill out, watch it, just be on every day. And then there's gonna be potential moves, potential opportunities for you to get, and you'll just get used to the same timing, same thing every day in, day out kind of thing. Just about consistency at that point. You understand why I made that move down before it's shooting up? Like, we got, what, 7 minutes till close? Don't be surprised if that finished bullish, just for the fact that it was a 30-minute liquidity grab, right? So with the 30-minute liquidity grab, should be able to push up higher. I'll be right back though. All right, I'm back. Damn, nothing happened. Little push up, but we'll see how that turns out. Always this damn waiting game. There we go. That hit my take profit right there. That's what I'm talking about. Profit secured. Trade done. That was actually like a beautiful trade. I'm gonna have to put that up on the blog too. I mean, we called that from the start. I was like, wow, watching the video, and I was like looking. I'm like, yeah, it seemed like a pretty good opportunity. The risk reward made sense. Everything top down made sense. 40 pips was achievable in that situation. So, I mean, you got to take the risk and actually put in the trade there, right? It's the most plausible thing to do at that point. overall, a pretty good trade. No deny that. So even shot through again. Damn, look at that. Nice push down. That's why you gotta take profits in this situation, in this type of environment. Cause shit like that is gonna happen all the fucking time. I don't know how else to put it. Big liquidity grab. This is probably gonna hit break even, to be honest. Might even get out for profit. What? Yeah, I see. Fuck, I saw it spike up. I'm taking 50% of my runner out, so I only got 50% of a runner in. So I secured 50% profit on a runner, and now I'm keeping 50% in. So I guess I'll just stay there, and we'll just see the outcome as it happens, right? Damn, look at that. Now it's completely out. That was the trade though. That nice spike gave us that profit. That's why you gotta take it. Take what the market gives you, right? Not the runner ain't always gonna happen. It only happens on like trending days. But now we chill, wait for the next opportunity. Sorry, I was watching that before I did my blog post to see what's gonna happen with it. Good to observe, learn, watch, listen, all the other good stuff associated with it. So now we're gonna observe it. Maybe we'll go on to NASDAQ or something. Check that out. See how that moves. That is choppy as hell right now. Holy. There's no real direction for it at the moment. No, I think we're just gonna wait and watch. Let me check out Euro. Let's see how that's moving. Damn, that's moving nice up right now. Probably gonna see a bullish pop on. Oh wait, never mind. Daily doesn't have a lower wick. Seems to have found some resistance area. Let's go back to gold. Damn, that tanked even more. It's a rough one. I'm not in it though. I got out for profit. think it might be done around 8. Gotta shovel the snow, head to get groceries, go crisis shopping before all the toilet paper runs out. I'm playing though, for real. Just gotta go get groceries. Think it might be done around 8. Gotta shovel the snow. New lockdowns in Alberta, though, if anyone's listening in from Alberta. Quite interesting. Honestly, they're a few weeks late. If they did a circuit breaker like fucking mid-November, like everyone was pushing for, then you wouldn't be where you are right now. But can't try to please everybody. That's one thing Kenny was trying to do. It's either you please the economy and businesses, or you please the healthcare, social workers. You can't please both. Damn, Chan posted a post. Interesting. Recently, been doing a lot of research. Why do we bring this up? Because if you're trading investing for the wrong reasons. Here, let me read this. For the first 3, so why do we just bring this up? Because if you're trading investing for wrong reasons, having self-centered, egotistical approach to the methodology of how you plan and execute your trades, that will manifest and show itself. Stock market's at all-time highs. This meaning comes close to reality, so that's so true. You go, yeah. Nice. That's a pretty solid post by Chan. I didn't even know he posted that. It's pretty sick. Shout out to Chan for posting that. I've been slacking on that type of post too. I think I'm gonna have to do one over the weekend if I think of a topic, or if a topic is brought up during our live streams, I'll probably post on it. In the meantime, the hour did finish. Hour finished somewhat bullish with a wick. Maybe even low compared to the previous hour. So again, with the gold I'm putting in my blog, I was pretty much playing this consolidation it formed. So basically this whole thing right here is the consolidation right now. Sold off during Asian session, but it didn't really continue. in the London session after the big spike down, price retraced back into the range and continued its consolidation. So we saw that with the top end too. It had that big spike up and then it had to move down. So it's the biggest thing about taking profits in day trading. I want to learn how to get videos on kind of like get the videos from the stream and post it on Instagram. That would be the best, to be honest. It's a date, December 9th. Got 6 days before our fantasy basketball draft. That should be pretty fun. Go post it on Instagram, post it on the blog. Pretty much good to go. I'm put it on the split screen here now. Get NASDAQ up. Go to 15-minute on NASDAQ. So let me do a quick analysis on it. Let's go daily. Slow, steady climb up. Hourly. It's like it'll push up. 30-minute. I feel like we're gonna get that spike down into the volume push up. So that's the one thing I'm gonna be looking for, is that spike down with the volume push up when the market opens. So we got 15 minutes for that. As for gold, we're back in this consolidation. I'm not really gonna force anything today per se, but tomorrow I do think it's setting up for a short. I don't know if it'll happen today, but I feel like maybe tomorrow it'll happen. Get that liquidity grab and then push down. But that'll be a tomorrow move. Today I feel like this consolidation it's formed, it might just stay stuck in that dirty range right now. So we got our move. We got our 40 pips. We got it on the long side too. All this feels good. But yeah, it's always going to be a patience game. That's the name of the game at the end of the day. Oh, so the 15-minute close. It's tempting to go bullish or buys on gold, but I think I want to wait for like bullish structure to form. Right now, it's completely bearish structure at the moment, so just gotta wait for that. Oh shit, what's up, throwbacks? How you doing? Long time no talk. Congrats on my win. Thanks, man. You saw that? Yeah, that was the one trade. Waiting for the second one. I have an idea on NASDAQ, so I'm just gonna wait for that, to be honest. How you doing though? How's work? How's the Tron Casino, etc. You guys busy? Yeah, I can tell. Haven't been on in a while. Holiday season coming up though. I'm guessing it's for that. People are getting ready for the holidays, loading up, buying some stuff from Home Depot, etc. You see cryptos though, that thing tanked. Honestly, if it tanks even more, I might get in, but I want it like at a low price. I just feel like the pump and dumps are just gonna be standard for cryptos now. You're gonna get in, you're gonna get out. It's always gonna be like that. Get in, hodl, get out. Right before your birthday. Oh yeah, isn't your birthday like the 13th or something? Harden wants out. Yeah, Harden does want out. I don't think he'll start the season there. I think they're gonna move him. You're gonna buy. I'm a 20 times Bitcoin. Wow. I mean, the good thing with Bitcoin, it's not a shit coin. So even if you buy it right now, you can just hold it for your life. Oh, 12/14, December 14th. Damn, I was close. I almost remember that. But yeah, the thing with Bitcoin is if you buy it right now, just hold it, right? Depending if you want to invest it. It's gonna go back up. That just seems to be the thing with Bitcoin, is it fucking drops and then it goes back up. It drops, goes back up, and then just rinse and repeat. It's like, damn, that's what it wants to do. But like right now, I feel like it'll drop more before going what's the word? Before going up. I'll do a quick analysis. Actually, let me pull it up right now. BTC USD Coinbase. Let's go to the daily. I don't know why. I just have that feeling it'll drop before going up. Like what, it hit 17,700. We'll see. It's usually a pump and dump type of thing, but we'll see. Long position, most definitely. It's like gold. Yeah, it is like gold 100%. It has a huge pump and then a big ass dump right after. Seems to be the standard case with most of these pairs, I guess. Trying to catch 13K, but yo, if you did get it at 13K, I feel like that's a pretty solid entry, man. You just hold it. Doesn't really matter what it does or the outcome of it. You just literally hold it. And then it'll pay out maybe a year or two, because you look at like every drop that Bitcoin has had. After every drop, it has an even bigger rip. Even after the 2018 pump, it had that drop, and then it had a huge rip. And then this rip came now again, like what, from 5,000 to 20,000 over time. It's good for that, but you can't buy it at the top. I feel like a lot of people are starting to chase Bitcoin at the top, and they lose a lot of money from that. I mean, if they didn't learn in 2019, they won't even learn forever, you know? You excited for the season starting, ball? Coming up. I know my Bulls aren't gonna do much, but you know, still gonna cheer them on. You know, you live in Atlanta, right? I feel like your Hawks are gonna have a surprisingly good season. They loaded up on talent. They got some good pieces down there now. You got Rondo, you got Trey Young. Trey Young is just like next level. Shoots from anywhere. I feel like he's gonna break the 3-point record one year. Yeah, I had a great weekend, man. Just chilling. Our province or state, if you want to call it that, is going into lockdown for 4 weeks. Our cases per capita are like fucking on par with like California and shit, which is nuts. Hawks number 2 seed? No, man. No way. Hawks is gonna go Nets, Milwaukee. If Giannis doesn't get traded, Milwaukee. 600 stimulus check? I thought it was gonna be 1200. What happened? That's dumb. $600 isn't even enough for rent. Hawks Bucks. No, dude, not yet. Not Hawks Bucks yet. Soon. Not yet. What's going on with the stimulus check though? They fighting still not concrete. Standard. I feel like Republicans are trying to lower it. Democrats should have a better grasp on it. I don't know. I feel like if they delay it until January when Biden's in and after the Georgia runoffs, then it would be easier to pass a bill for a higher stimulus check. Because I feel like some progressive Democrats are trying to push it, but it's obviously being stood up in court. So classic American politics, man. Actually, just classic politics in general. It's retarded. The progressives really do want it out. Even like progressives in Canada want more support, I guess, social support for the Canadian citizens, but obviously you got different sides of the spectrum fighting over it. Seems to be the same case around the world. States, UK, basically everywhere, let's be honest. So. And the real thing is they could print money too. If they needed to hand out a stimulus check for everybody, they really could. I mean, their spending is already through the roof with Trump. He just keeps spending and spending. But yeah, we'll see what happens with that. Are you guys in lockdown in Atlanta? Or are you guys just living free? USA so greedy, you love hate country. Yeah, well, I mean, it's the States for you, man. Classic United States. Actually, greed is just classic mentality for everybody. That's why you a hippie. Yeah, well, that's not a bad idea either. USA always wants more, more, more. Let's be honest, that's been the standard with it. Just want more, more, more. They're greedy, man. But Chan actually wrote a post yesterday talking about giving back. Just check it out on the website. Actually, let me pull it up on the stream right now. Chenko Institute for Trading.com. The site's actually pretty nice, to be honest. Website uses cookies, cool story. If you go to, damn, let's say you can invest in basics, behavioral finance, about us. Page still good. Yeah, that's good. Gift blog. Giving back to your community. Pretty solid post on giving back to your community. Chan wrote that yesterday, so I'll credit to him. That was a pretty solid post I read it this morning. And it's on behavioral finance too. It is a behavioral finance thing. It's kind of helping others to help yourself. So even when you go to the behavioral finance blog, it's there. Obviously, we got to update more of these topics, and I think I will have a couple over the weekend. So, goddamn NASDAQ, you fucking tank. That is the liquidity grab I'm talking about. I'm going to go 5 minute, and I'm going to wait for that bullish pattern formation on the 5 minute for NASDAQ. Test out our strategy we've been talking about for a couple days now. I don't know how long, but we've been talking about it. Damn, NASDAQ keeps on going. Yeah, for NASDAQ now, this is what, a 40-point drop. I'm gonna wait for like a bullish 5 minute before entering. That's what we were talking about earlier on the stream. So I think I'm gonna stick with that, test out the strat. Calling it right now again, like I called it 2 days ago. Just gotta wait and see if it actually happens like that. Damn, gold dropping. Fuck. That was a short all the way. I didn't catch it, but that was a short all the way. That's tough. It's tough, but it is what it is. There we go. That's what I wanted. I want the next 5 minute to push down and then push up. Damn, what would that be? What is my black bull at? Give me a second. So right now it would be 60, 20, 12, 601. I think I'm gonna wait. Give it a little bit more. I want to go probably next candlestick maybe. Gives more structure. Gives a defined stop loss. It's tough catching the bottom though. Like even if I did it now, stop loss is about $10. Nah, you gotta let it form. You gotta let it form. Also, I'm talking to myself. I'm about to long NASDAQ. I'm testing a strategy, by the way, so don't follow me on the trade. I'm just testing a strategy, throwbacks. And I want to test with real money because that's the true indicator of everything. So yo. I think if this 5 minute closes bullish, I'll probably get in on the long.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Yo, how you doing, man?
Good, yourself?
I'm good. I'm gonna test this NASDAQ play out that I've been talking about for a little while. If it closes.
So you're longing?
Yeah. Well, I mean, if this 5 minute closes bullish, then I'm probably gonna enter and
Yeah.
have the stop below the wick, but it's already pushing up pretty fucking fat. I should have entered below, man, when it started to flip. Still test, work in progress, but fuck it.
Yeah.
It's tough though if you want to catch those. That's what I found out.
I agree. I mean, I do see a level and stuff there at like 12.6 or 600.
Yeah,
Kind of from
12.600.
yesterday.
Yeah, no, 12.600 has been a pretty sturdy one.
Yeah. Shit. Oh man, you know what? I might as well join you and buy some triple Q.
I haven't longed it yet.
Oh yeah, but I'm just doing that for the portfolio anyways.
How's your morning? How's the portfolio doing in the AM?
Good. Ripped up fat.
Ripped up fat, nice.
No
Yeah.
complaints. No complaints. Asia's up. Oil's up. The specs are up. I mean, yeah.
That's sick. So everything's
Only
up.
things that are down is, well, I mean, gold shorts are up. That's good.
That's good, man.
But yeah, I mean, the only thing down is like my Nikola puts, and I covered my Beyond Meat shorts too.
Yo, I'm
Or
long,
just-
by the way. I got in at 04,
Nice.
04.3. So, well, on Black Bull, 04.3. I don't know what the fuck this thing's doing. But yeah, you cover your Nikola shorts.
No, I didn't cover it. I
Oh.
got 3 puts.
Oh, you got
So
3
they were
puts.
kind of out of the money anyways, but I think Nikola is like a freaking scam.
Yeah. Why you say that?
Well, Nikola doesn't even, like, there's a reason why GM like changed their partnership agreement. They've done more of their due diligence. And Nikola doesn't really produce anything right now. Like all the stuff on their website is concept cars.
So it's just speculation. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's just not even worth it. Speculations are just trash.
Oh yeah, especially from a $90 all-time high stock, it's at like $20.
Yeah,
All
that.
that's just like freaking
And if still like a speculation,
salesman.
yeah, and if it's still like a speculation stock where it's like forward looking and just concept models, it's kind of trash because you don't know how they're gonna be at the end of the day.
Yeah, but I mean, everyone's been like Hedge has been calling them scams and stuff too. So I don't know. We'll see. I mean, the puts are till next week, so I'll just wait.
Nice. But you're up pretty fat though. That's solid, man.
Yeah, I'm decent to this morning. I mean, that could change in a second, but I mean, it's good now. It's good now. Can't hate. Saw your gold trade. That was nice.
Just got that wick, the quick momentum bullish, but it went down. I feel like tomorrow's gonna be a big down day for gold. I feel like today's gonna be consolidation kind of, and then tomorrow's gonna have like one of those fat classic gold sellers type day.
I hope so, man. I hope so.
You hope so.
I honestly. It's freaking.
Oh shit, it's working, man.
Nice, buddy.
It's working.
Thanks.
I wonder what the success rate is for this strat. I should back test it this weekend, especially since we're in lockdown now.
Yeah.
No point.
You called it.
Yeah. Oh, throwback saying, what's up? Hope you had a good weekend.
Hey, throwbacks. I had a good weekend. How about yourself? Hope you're keeping safe down in Atlanta.
I didn't even know where I take profit for this, man.
Doesn't matter. Up to you. I mean, do you just get one unit?
Yeah, I'm just testing it, so I got one unit. I didn't get a runner because
Yeah.
like it could have gone the other way too, right? So I was
I mean, how much were you risking?
What is that?
Is that at least the 1-for-1 right now, or?
I'm risking about $16, $17 a
Okay.
unit. So it's
17.
about 1-to-1 right now at this point, right here. Yeah, that's 1-to-1 right now.
Okay. Up to you. I'm just saying that's how I usually measure it.
So you just go 1-to-1 and then you get out?
Well, I mean, no, I go probably more, like 3-to-1, 4-to-1, but it depends on your risk, though.
I was thinking like
Your
2-to-1, maybe mid 40s or 50s, kind of.
Yeah. I mean, it's tough because you only have one unit.
Yeah, I know. So I just gotta kind of gauge it from there. Yeah, I just want to test it. But if it does work, then I'll continue to add on to it.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, the 15-minute closed above. They had that huge liquidity grab pushed up. What about the 10-minute? 10-minute, not bad. The close is bullish. We'll see.
Yeah, it's like obviously like you could go 4-to-1, 5-to-1, but that's like if there was like a wick entry or something, you know. But it didn't; it just went up. So.
Did you put in your triple Q or you just?
No,
chilling.
yeah, I went in when I said I was gonna go in. Yeah. But I'm just really trying to build a position with Triple Q. I'm not trying
Yeah,
to hit home runs.
get like the long-term long.
Yeah, the gap ups and stuff like that are fine. Finally. I'm gonna make coffee. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Yeah, Nasdaq, I'm in profit right now. I think I want to wait. I want to see how it does when it tests the tops. Usually it has a lower low and then makes like a higher high for the day. Trying to catch my drift. So we'll see how that goes. Gonna move to break even though. It's probably the safest bet. Nice pumping. I moved it to break even.
Yeah, I
Probably
mean,
the best bet.
especially after the 5 minute. Is it the 5 minute close? Yeah, 5 minute close. Why not?
Probably the best bet, safest bet. So fuck it.
Yeah, I agree.
I'll be right back real quick.
All right.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah, what up?
Damn, that thing's ripping.
What's ripping? Oh.
Nasdaq. You need anything else? Any alerts come up?
No, I'm just pruning my positions.
Alright.
Oh, spread's fat on this. Okay, spread out. EWJ is up quite a bit. That's nice. Alright, give me a second, bud.
Damn, gold. What the fuck?
Nice.
That was a fat fucking. I just see my screen twitch. Drop
Yeah,
60 pips.
finally. Oh, I should have added more, but I guess whatever. Should have added more.
I think Jonesy on Twitter was saying gold's deflating. It's like, damn, interesting. Called it this morning.
Good.
Good.
I hope it deflates, you know.
No, it's at the 50% retracement, fib retracement too. At the damn, that thing's gonna tank. Fuck, that's insane.
Oh, man. Close. Man.
What happened?
No, man. Just almost close to getting her 10% on her account.
Damn, it's a good threshold right there.
Just sell everything. I'm out. I'm done.
You're short gold on your account too, right?
No, you can't short on TFSAs.
Oh, damn.
It's
Fuck
all
it.
good.
Yeah, fuck it.
I mean, everything's up, so. I mean, I could have bought puts and stuff. I mean, the only way I short is by buying puts. Oh, I wonder what Planeteer is at. PLT. Yeah, whatever. That was a good sell. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah. All right, so the hour close, 30-minute close, 15-minute close. That 30-minute liquidity grab. God damn, that's a huge fucking liquidity grab. Oh, don't go all the way down now. I wanted the 50 level on my black bull. I think it's like 55 on TradingView. But obviously, I think we got to wait and see.
Oh, man. Jonesy Bud. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. How's gold? That was a nice candlestick down.
That was a fat drop on the 15.
That was really nice. Wow.
Yeah, that was quick too. It happened like boom, boom, boom.
I'm very happy.
That was gonna be tomorrow. I was gonna load up on that short tomorrow, but I guess no, it broke previous day's low anyways. Happened to hear.
Yeah, but who knows? Maybe if it's the signal, right?
Signal?
Well, that next stop is what 1800s
Next stop
for
18.
tomorrow.
Yeah, that's true. Well, there's different levels on the way down. I have 1830 and then 1815 and then low 1800s it'll get there anyways. It is what it is. I gotta go crisis shopping though. Get some toilet paper, man. I'm gonna end the stream.
At what, Costco?
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna get toilet paper, but I gotta get going here.
Oh, you gotta go? Okay, sounds good. Are we ending it?
Yeah, I gotta shovel snow, go to Costco. Then it's the girl's birthday. We're going for dinner later because I live alone and it's not breaking the rules, so it's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna end it.
Did you go running, by the way?
I tried.
It's so slippery, man.
Not even the slippery part. My toe, I can't push it off on it. You know how you run and you kind of take the next step. I'm just like taking my right one and then my left one. I'm trying to push off and I'm like, fuck. So I was just like, can't do it.
Shit, eh? Okay, fair enough. But yeah, I'll let you end it. I'll talk to you in a bit.
Well, thanks, Throwbacks, tuning in again. Good times, a couple good trades. I'm gonna hold this for now. Anyone watching the Nasdaq this side, I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah.
And see what happens.
Well, thanks, Throwbacks, for joining us again, and we'll see you guys in a bit, I guess, tomorrow.